Yo, chat. Hi, all chat. Is the sound good, chat? Can you guys hear me? Chat, is the sound good, chat? All right. Hi, all chat. How's the weekend for you guys, chat? How's the weekend, chat? All right, let me just take this all off. Bro, I haven't seen the chart. I think right now I'm watching the charts, but yeah, I haven't opened the chart after uh, there's nothing today, bro. No such movement today. What do we have some relaxing music at break. Great, 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 bro. Chad, I had this on gold the previous week, but look at that, bro. I drew this the previous week on gold, but just look at that, bro. Price went higher after taking that break, taking that buy side liquidity pull above this highs. And yeah, I attached a note there that if we break that high there, uh, price will go more, bro. But I was on in that trade on gold. I closed the trade. I think it was Friday. I closed the trade at during the London close. So yeah, I didn't hold that trade. Let's just look at GU for now. Right. What do you think, Chad? Are we bearish or bullish on Euro and GU? What do you think, Chad? What's your view on Euro and gold? For me, I'm still bullish on both of these currency. I'm still bullish on this too. Maybe I may not take any trade today, but yeah, but I'll just wait for today's candle closure. Then probably I'll try to find some setups on Euro tomorrow because the market is slow right now. That's the high right there. Let's go on a 5 minute chart. I think we're gonna take out that Friday high right there. That's the Friday candles high. I think we're gonna take that, uh, swap that today, and yeah, bullish on GU for now. But today there's no that kind of setup to the chat, so we'll probably need to wait for tomorrow. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this SM27 valid. GU is gonna move higher right now. Trust me on that. For GU, I'll see if we can inverse this fair value gap. If we can inverse that, we can probably write that trade uh, to that high right there. Yep. And we also tapped into a 1 hour BC right now, I think. Did you tap into that? Yeah, we kind of tap into that. Yeah, it's gonna go higher and maybe take out that these two relative equal highs right there. And we also have this CB right here also. Bro, on gold, I can explain today because, bro, I'm not in that mood to explain the gold price action right now. Because last week I've lost a lot on gold, bro. Not because I was not sure about the bias, but because I put such a small stop loss on gold, bro. I was fucked up, bro. I kind of lost like uh, all the gains that week. I lost that I think on Friday. Bro, I fucked up on gold, bro. Bro, can you make a video explaining your entry model? Nah, bro, I cannot make that video, bro. My entry model and the strategy is only for my uh, private student, bro. I'm sharing a lot here, bro. If you can see what I'm sharing right now on these charts, uh, you don't need anything else, bro. But uh, it's not like that my model is gonna work for you as well. It works for me, but you have to put in time, bro, to find your own model. What the fuck is that, bro? All right, for now, I'll guess if we continue going higher on gold and silver, I'll like to see where, yeah, I would love to see this low being taken on gold, maybe like this, and then go higher. And that old high should also respect price because we have this buy side imbalance right there. So that's the best scenario. You said on language for your video after the live so I can watch it. Bro, if you do not understand what I'm saying, you can ask me question. But I think uh, putting on different language on the videos, it's difficult, bro. That take like I think another hour for me to edit those videos on the studio. Yeah, G is going there, bro. G is gonna take out these too high right there. Let's just wait and see. Let's go with the 5 minute short. This is too much for me. I understand what you say, but for clear subtitle, maybe for people don't understand English. But if they do not understand English, bro, I do not have anything to do with that. Bro, let me be real, bro. I'm trying to improve my English, not my English, but I'm kind of shy and I always stutter when speaking English. I'm not gonna like pretend that I know everything about English or very fluent at speaking English, but I understand English. I can write, read, but when I try to speak that, uh, I kind of hesitate, bro. So I'm trying to improve that. Yeah, bro. You can take the transcript and translate it. But we have another SMT right now. We might see this low taken like that and then maybe go higher. Let's see. We have a balanced price range right there. Chad, give me some advices like how can I like improve the my English uh, quicker than usual, bro. The problem is that my friends do not speak in English, bro. They speak our local language, so there's nothing I can do about that. I read books. I have English books beside me right there, and yeah, I do practice also with YouTube videos, and now I'm trying to do live streams, but yeah, there's I think it's gonna take me a little while, like maybe like 1 or 2 months more to be more fluent on English, bro. And I do have some grammatical mistakes. I know that, bro. I'm long on German 40 DAX indices. Great. Chad, let's do some paper trading today. Chad, let's do some paper trading. All right. I have that same book, isn't it? Subtle Art of Giving. Not, no, no, no. It's not that, bro. Uh, it's this one. Can you see that? Can you see that? Building a Story Brand. It's by Donald Miller. I just started reading that book and I just finished. Uh, Let me show you guys. I finished this one, Time Management. Yeah, Time Management by Brian Tracy. And I have another one, Atomic Habits by James Clear. I haven't finished that, but I have read some pages of that book. But right now I'm reading the Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller, bro. So yeah, that's it. All right, there's my paper trade. It's going well, I guess. We're gonna move from here with speed, bro. We're gonna like move with speed from here. You will see. Oh, that's the uh, balanced price range right there. That right there. And I entered on that candle right there, and I've put my stop loss. Let me put it right below that low. So I'm seeing this as a support for the price to go higher. If this is a balanced price range, I do not want to see price close within that range, as we have sell side delivery and we also have clean buy side delivery. So that gap right there becomes a balanced price range for me. Yeah, did you guys uh, have eyes on crypto? Did you guys saw crypto today? The crypto market like crashed today, bro. It just kept going lower and lower, bro. I think so many people lost so much money today on crypto. All right, there it goes. I think the next candle after this, maybe the current candle can take out that low, but I think the next candle is gonna take out that high right there. That move right there is too clean. Maybe we're gonna take out that candle, sorry, that high right there with the next two candle, then create some sort of structural shift and then go lower. Why, bro? People lost money in crypto. Bro, crypto is like first money, bro. Though, uh, let me tell you something. I've kind of doubled some money on crypto last week, but I've lost it, like lost like 70% of that profit on crypto, maybe within next 2 days, because it's like fast money, bro. Those people who can control their emotion and like they do not have control over sell, they're gonna lose money. Even if it's crypto market or like Forex or any market it is, bro. You have to learn from those mistakes, bro. And yeah, I have no shame to speak about that. I've lost some money on crypto. I'm still on profit on crypto, but yeah, I was like impatient, too impatient for the setups to confirm its direction. And yeah, it's like first money, bro. The market is on 24/7. So people like, why not just be in a trade and make some more money? And that loophole makes us to lose more and more on the crypto market. Morning, bro. By the way, chat, how do you like the background right now? Is it more appealing than before right now? Do you guys like the background right now? The RGB light I'm using, like it has like 15 different modes, bro. It has 15 different modes on that small RGB light. All right. So we have this three consecutive candles, down close candles. I'm gonna use them as a bullish order block right there. Let's see. Chad, I think I'm gonna like start trading futures. I think I'm gonna buy some evolution account on maybe from funded futures because they have like that uh, crypto payment option. So yeah, I'll probably buy one or two accounts from them, like the 50K account. Let's see, bro. I think futures is more easier than Forex because they have like one place evaluation targets, and if you're clear about your strategy, then you can make it work on any market, bro. My strategy works on Forex and also on indices, and you saw that during all these live streams. So yeah, I'll probably like buy one or two future eval from funded futures. No, 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 bro. That red light goes well with the background. That's why I'm not. I kept the right one because it's like more deep. I have like a face light, a fill light for my face, so it's like light, more lighter color or more warm. So I need to have like a deep color in the background so that uh, the background look good. That's why I have the red one. I'll just use the red and the blue one. Sometimes the red one, and then I'll use the blue one. I'll use the blue one tomorrow. Not today, but tomorrow I'll use the blue one. And like I have those wall boards on the back. If you can see, I have three, right? I bought three for the wall to decorate the wall. And those are like some motivational stuff, bro. One is my vision board, like what I want to achieve in life. And next two is my favorite quote, bro. One is like, first say to yourself who what you would be, and then do what you have to do. That's the best quote. I love, bro. For me, that's the best quote. First say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do. Yeah, bro. In you have to manage risk. In any market, you have to manage the risk. It's not only for Forex. You have to also manage the risk on futures. Bro, look, the problem is not the strategy, not the risk management. It's our mind, bro. Our mind is fucked up. My mind also fucked up sometimes because we do not have control over ourselves. Like we want to just pass that account within one day. Like that's the reality. If you even say to me, we're like, bro, no, that's not me, bro. I'm not gonna believe that because as a man, I know what other men also feel from maybe our situation is not as good like other people, so we just want to have that feel of quick success, bro. We want to change our situation very quickly, so we buy an account and we say to ourselves that we're going to pass that account within one day, and then I'm going to get some payouts and I'm going to change my life. That's the thing, bro. That's fucking our mind up, bro. And you also know that that's what holding you back, bro. But if you can stick to it for enough time and every day after losing a trade, if you uh, like note what was the reason behind that loss, maybe with maybe in after a while, or maybe within 2 or 3 months, maybe after 1 year, so you're gonna like improve a lot. But if you have to like note all those mistakes that you've made while trading on the charts, bro. Was it your feelings? Was it your strategy? What was it that made you like lose the trade or lose the account? What's your PC specs? Bro, right now it's not that powerful. It's I think it's a Intel i5 Core i5 8th Gen. I'm trying to buy the Lenovo Legion 5i series. Maybe I'll buy. I think by the end of this year, I'll probably buy the Lenovo Legion 5i. I love laptop, bro. I do not have PC. I have laptop because I can carry it wherever I go and do my work, and I don't even need to have like power supply for the thing if I don't have the electricity somewhere. So yeah, I prefer laptops, bro. But it's a bit costlier than the PCs, but it's good. All right, once we take that high right there, we're gonna we want to take that high, bro. We're gonna like skyrocket, bro. We're gonna move with speed. All right, price respected that balanced price range 2 time. You see, we do not have any bodies into that balanced price range, and that order block, these three consecutive down close candles are respecting price, bro. I mean, price is respecting this consecutive candles. The market is slow, bro. The market is too slow. On future, it's hard to trade GU and EU. The micro sometimes it does not accept the entry. Have not figured it out yet. It's the same in all futures. Prop from bro. If I trade futures prop, then I'll only trade NAS and I think US 30 or ES. I'm not gonna trade any other pairs. I'm only gonna focus on two or three maybe. I'll probably remove some pairs from my watch list because I think I have too many. That's why I get distracted sometimes. I think I'll probably just have USD CAT or USD Gateway and then Euro and GBP for Forex. And for futures, I'll have NAS or ES. The TPU said is that equal highs on a minute 15. Yes, bro. So this trade right here, how much is that? Bro, I think TradingView updated its system because now I cannot see the risk reward on the trade. What the fuck? Yeah, bro. It has changed its updated some things on the charts. Now I cannot see the risk or how much are the trade is. Yeah, bro. Right, price is struggling to take out that high. What time is it? We're almost. I think we're gonna see some 9:30, pre 9:30 manipulation because bro, what I wanna see, I wanna see like price take out that high before 9:30, then create some sort of structural break towards downside, and then seek some sell side liquidity. That's what I wanna see. But if we are bullish today, then we might see some lows taken before the 9:30, and then price gonna reach for that high. These are the two things gonna happen. Let's have a look at GU, bro. GU was quick, bro. GU took out those highs. Yeah, GU took out those relative equal highs. Bro, fuck. Yeah, and right now it's risky. Yeah, upside it, bro. Yeah, we got stopped out on this bit. Let's see one thing. Yeah, I think we're gonna make some SMT with uh, that 15-minute high right there. Let me just take that off. We're gonna take out some lows on Euro. That S&P right there. Well, what the fuck? Yeah, let's see. We can like use that as a inversion uh, PDRA to go short. I do want to take a short, even if it's paper trade, but let's just watch the price. I'm not gonna take any trade. Let's just watch. We have these lows. What do we have? All right, let's see chat. GU and EU are dropping now. You know that too, bro. Chad, like, tell me one thing about your trading journey right now. Like, what is the most uh, difficulties right now for you to succeed in this category? Like, what's holding you back? If you are not profitable, then what's the problem? What do you think about that, bro? I told you you're gonna see some 930 manipulation. We saw that on G. Let's see. That's the 930 candle right there. Capital. Bro, are you sure it's capital? Because I think it's not capital, bro. You can trade with prop firms if you are like profitable with your strategy, but capital it was never a reason. For me, it's never a reason, bro. If you have a part-time job to do, you can like save some money and buy some prop accounts, and once you get some payouts, you can have bigger accounts, bro. Why are you, bro? Is the mic on, bro? Yeah, the mic is on. I think the receiver is not connected. Yep, the receiver is not connected, bro. Chat, give me a moment. Let me just fix it. Yeah, the mic is okay right now. All right, it worked so bad. Yeah, it did, bro. I'm not in chat. Let me tell you guys, do not take any trade today because the market is not in a good situation today because it's too slow, bro. If you have taken any trade during the London session, then it's good. But right now, if you are trying to get into a trade, do not, bro. Bro, just get into the trade and then close the fucking laptop or the screen, bro. Do not even watch it. Then after come back after some hours or couple of hours, take a look at that trade. If it goes against you, like analyze what was wrong about that trade. Then just be done for the day. Chad, we did not we did not have a body within that balanced price range yet, but right now we can see more like this kind of, yeah, we may like see some S&P right there with euro. If it doesn't fall from there, we can see some S&P. Well, GU probably gonna make a lower high, euro gonna make a higher higher high, yeah, because we haven't taken out that same high that GU did. So what does it mean? Euro has to take some sort of buy side liquidity to go down. So it's what it's gonna do. It's gonna take out that high, not this one, but that high right there. Same high that on GU, that's the high that took out the liquidity. So it maybe it's gonna take out that all we took out that high right there. Right now I have taken out that high. Let's see how he reacts from there. Let's see. What the fuck? That's the SMT right there. Let's see how we react from there. If we continue higher, then there's nothing you can do about that. Bro, sound have noise on it. Does it, bro? Yeah, it has noise because let me just decrease. It's because of the gain, bro. Hello. Yeah, right. What the fuck? Isn't the sound is higher than before, bro? Is it higher than before or still lower like before, bro? What do you say? Alright, let me just then use the Bluetooth connection. Right? I'll just use the Bluetooth connection. Whatever. Right, there it goes. Alright. We'll see if we go down right now and break as soon as we break that low, we are going down, chat. As soon as we break that low, prior to that high, above prior to that run above that high. So if we as soon as we broke that low, maybe if we can see a closure below that low, then we are going down. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see. Chad, give me a moment, bro. I'll need to have some water. Yeah, forgot about that, bro. So what I was saying that chat, I told you I wanted to see some sort of SMT with GU, and you can see that we have made a lower high on GU, just as I said, and we have made a higher high on euro on the 1 minute campaign. Now to see if we go lower on euro or GU and maybe break some low. I want to see the recent low to be broken, bro. But yeah, I want to see that low being broken. That low right there should be broken right now. Let's see how we go from there. Let's just see that. Chad, once we take out that high, this short setup is invalid. If you see that high being taken, then there's no short today. We're going higher. But as long as we're, bro, the sound is okay, bro. I think you can hear the sound, bro. Yeah, the sound is okay, bro. What are you even saying, bro? The sound's perfect right now. Sound is good. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying. I have my phone right behind me, right beside me. So yeah, there's no problem with the sound. Maybe you have muted the stream. Chad, what I was saying that as soon as if we take out break that high right there, that one, our short rate isn't valid anymore. But as long as we are below that, what the fuck, you can be in that rate and you can look for shorts within that range. But if we break that high right there, there's no shorts today. Man, I feel there is a trap. I feel there is a trap on this trade. There could be, bro. That's why I'm not trading. But it's up to you, bro. Sometimes we just have to take loss. We're not gonna win every day, bro. We're not gonna win every day, bro. We have to take some losses too, bro. Bro, yeah, the trade is going well right now. Chad, I'm not in a trade right now, by the way. Let me clear that for you. I'm not in any trade. I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need all of this to happen tonight. Baby, I don't need all of this to happen tonight. this trade gonna be slow, bro. Hi, bro. What's up? By the way, Chad, give a thumbs up to the stream if you like this stream, and yeah, if you want to subscribe, then subscribe, bro. Uh, ta- 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 Mm, mm, Yo, 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 oh, yeah, yeah. Have you guys taken any trade today, chat? Or you're just like me watching the charts today, not taking any trade? I like the videos you share when I see the chart. All right, bro. How was the recent one, friend? How was the recent video? I think, Chad, I think I'm gonna be busy. I'll probably, maybe I'm not gonna stream for a few days, not this week, but maybe the next week. I'm not gonna be streaming maybe couple days, but I'll just schedule some ICT motivational videos for you guys. Yeah, use those. All right, we tap one more time into that CB right there, and we're respecting that down upcourse candle as a very short block, but we are still respecting that balanced price range chat. That's what I don't want to see. I want to see price break through that low with speed. But this trade right there doesn't have that much of that much of risk because it's just 4.1 piece, bro. So there's not that much risk on that trade. Yeah, yes, man. I took two trades. One long from London session. I took other trade at New York session at at 8:30 in version and 15 bros. See in your chart, do you have volume imbalance in today's daily candle? No, bro, I do not have any volume imbalance on any time frame in my charts. There is no volume imbalance I have, bro. All right, let's see. I'm not scared of this trade because, bro, I'm not in that trade right now. Let's see. What is you are doing, bro? So far, Euro is good. Euro is looking good, but bro, Euro should break that low if we wanna go lower. But if we meant to go higher, then it's gonna invalidate that high. We're gonna invalidate that high. Let's see if we invalidate that high right there, price is going higher. At least I can say that. But if we wanna go lower, then we should break through below that low. Let's see. Price will take your stop loss. Let it, bro. Who cares? I'm not in any trade right now. I'm not in a trade. Just stick to the live stream. Be in the live stream for a long. I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, I got you, baby. Maybe I don't got it right tonight. Maybe I don't got it right tonight. You too early in home. Wait for New York to open. Bro, this is Forex, bro. The if you're trading Forex market, then we count the 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York Eastern Standard Time as New York session, bro. Let me see if we have invalidated that high right there. I do not know yet, but let's see. Why the fuck Miss charts stuck, bro? Bro, the network is not good, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Right there. All right. That paragraph was visible for long. Why the fuck my network is not working right now? What the fuck just happened? Bro, what the fuck? The the speed is good, but what the fuck is going on? What the fuck? Yeah, DXY chart is good, but why can't I see the euro and GU, bro? What the fuck? Alright, let's see. Let's see, chat. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, bro. I'm not here trading today, so yeah, I do not care. But what's the market doing? Yup. We'll just wait and watch. Let's see, chat. Let's see if you are right or wrong. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. Just be in the chat. If I'm wrong, I'll be wrong, bro. But I do have my analysis for all of you. And I've told you everything from the beginning to uh, entering the trade. And what are we seeing right now, bro? Let's see. So you guys have your stop loss below that low, right? Let's just wait and see price. Maybe price is gonna take your stop loss chat with a big candle, bro. Let's see. We'll just wait and see. If you just impulsively went went in that trade, then maybe you have to pay for that. But let's see. There's still nothing on the chart. Are we gonna go down? Are we gonna go up? Are we gonna go down? Are we gonna go up? Chat, if you are in any trade right now, just close the trade, bro. You're gonna thank me later, bro. Just close the trade. Close the fucking trade. You can trade tomorrow, bro. You do not like have any type of open position right now. Because you don't know where price is going right now. Even if you are short, I'm gonna say that just close the trade, bro. I'm not gonna tell you to go short just because of my analysis. Just watch the charts today, bro. Just watch the charts. Let me just take this off. So under this low, there are too many stop loss right now. Let's see if price take out that low. We'll see. Is everyone in the chat? What the fuck? Where are bro? My internet connection is just fit, bro. I have to change the provider. I'll need to change the provider, bro. Fuck, fuck. No, I'm gonna take tolerate that. Alright, we have taken out that low. I mean that high right there. Let me just take these off also. We're at 9:30 right now. So I'm considering this as the 9:30 manipulation right there. That was the 9:30 manipulation. I mean pre 9:30 manipulation. And at that same time, we had higher time frame SMT with GU. We also had like 1 minute time frame SMT with GU. So what does it mean? It means that price maybe want to take some sort of sell side liquidities. So why would you like want to go long, bro? We have some sell, bro. Say something, bro. Your stop loss just got swept, bro. Not mine. Your stop loss. Now those who went long are gonna cry, bro. What the fuck? Now no one's saying nothing on the chat because their strategy just got broken, just got invalidated, bro. So what can I say? Let's look at GU right now. There's still nothing that confirms that we want to go higher. So just wait until you see something on the chart that indicates that price want to go higher. Until then, do not freaking trade, bro. Do not even take a trade. Bro, but it could be inversion. What do you mean by could be, bro? There's no could be in trading, bro. There's only like how you see the market, bro. Where is the liquidities? Where price is heading to? There's nothing like it can be, it could be. You have to have like the explanation for it, bro. I've said everything before it happened, bro. I've told you like I wanted to see some SMT with you, like we want to take some highs on you, because we failed to take the high that GU took out, bro. So what does it mean? Now Euro have to take some sort of liquidities, buy sell liquidities to go low. And what did it do? It took out that recent swing high before 9:30, and now we're at 9:30 window. It's taking out the lows we created before taking out the buy side liquidity right here. You have to have explanations, bro. You can't just like go in a trade and expect it to like go into your directions, bro. And that's right there like 1.5 hour right now, and it can go more higher, but you guys missed that, bro. That's not on me. That's not on me. I've explained everything before it even happened, bro. What do you have to say about that? Say something. All right, let me tell you guys where it's going. Let me tell you where it's going, bro. Let's go on a 5 minute time frame. There's nothing. Oh wait, have we taken off that low right there, right there? Yep, we have taken out that low. Geo probably gonna take out that low because uh, the stop losses are right below that low. More majority of the stop loss, and yeah, Geo's got you gonna take out that low right there. Let's see if it goes there or not. But right now it's enough to for you to be like be in a green day. That trade right there is enough. If you're like a short time frame trader, that's enough. How much was that? That was like 1.54 hour trade, bro. Those who say like it was a long, they're now silent. They don't even have any explanation why they wanted to say that was a long, bro. Do not distract people, bro, if you do not have an explanation about any kind of setups, or if you're maybe if you're some sort of gambler. Easy short, well done. It was easy, bro, but I haven't taken that trade because I do not want to trade today. Because yeah, bro, I've like lost some money previous week. Lost like 75 70% of my profit last week because I couldn't I didn't have like control over myself, and I fucked up, bro. And now I wanna have some breaks from like taking some trades. Well, let's see if we have made some SMTs. All right, there's still nothing that we wanna go higher, chat. Let me tell you that there's still nothing. There is not. Yeah, what the fuck? Euro. All right. All right. Yep. Have we taken out that low right there? Yeah, we have taken out that low. But Chad, if we continue going lower than that low right there is that low right there could be swept. I'm not gonna say why, but it can take out that low. I'm not gonna say the reason behind that. Market didn't tap equal highs in M15. What's your reason for no trading? Bro, I just told you, bro. I do not want to like trade every day because I think it's like messing with my mind that I want to make more money trading every day. So yeah, I just want to have control over myself. Even if I see some setups, I just want to be still, stay still, and see the charts. And today is that day. I just want to have my eyes on the charts, not not clicking the mouse today. It tapped it on GU. That's why you have to like trade the correlated pair, bro. Trading every day means they like gambling. That's it, bro. That's what it is. Bro, we human like it's very difficult to have control over our emotions sometimes. Like some of us are in some situation like crazy. I mean, they have like this crazy situation. They want to get out from that situation. So what they do, like they want to make money too quick. For me, I also do that sometimes, and I get fucked up when I try to do that kind of shit. So that's the main problem, bro. There's no problem with the strategy or what model we are using. The main problem is our mind, bro. For me, it's my mind. We do not have that strong mentality yet. We're gonna have that mentality very soon. If not soon, maybe within the next 3 or 6 months. But yeah, we'll have that one day, and we're gonna be taking decisions slowly and yeah, effectively, bro. Chad, look at that, bro. What do you have to say? Didn't I tell you that we're gonna take out that low on euro? See, that's why I tell you guys to take the trade, close the screen. If you are in front of the screen, you're gonna think we have a pair value right there and price broke that high with speed and it's gonna go high right now. We have buy side liquidity right there. Bullshit fuck, bro. Just take the trade and shut the shut your laptop or smartphone if you like can't stop yourself staring at your screen. Just do something else. As long as you're in front of the charts, you're gonna think too much, bro. All right, let's see. Let's just wait and see, chat. Let's just wait and see. Now you wanna see like did GU took out that recent swing high, swing low? All right, GU didn't took out that swing low right there. See, uh, right now you should put your stop loss to break even. If anyone in that trade right now, you should put your stop loss to break even. Because why I say that? Because we do not have any that's that same swing low taken on GU. So we could see some retracement back into some PDRs what you can't like stare at. So yeah, put your stop loss to break even and let it run. And you're gonna see if we go down, we're gonna take out that low. We're gonna take out that low. Let's have a magnet. Bro, where's the fucking X? Where was that fucking X? What the fuck? No, we do not have that X. Fuck, bro. God bless. Chat, if you have learned something from today's stream, then yeah, give a thumbs up to the stream. And if you want to subscribe, just subscribe, bro. Why are you even thinking about that? Why the fuck is this going on? Oh, fuck. No. Should we play some music, chat? Should we play some music? Let's see on to. All right, we are at 9:30 right now. Oh, we're at 9:44. Let's see NAS for a little bit. What the fuck, bro? Look at the US 30. Fuck, I'm not gonna keep US 30 on my charts anymore. Fuck that shit. All right, we are going for this high on NAS. That high right there. We're going for that. Trust me, we're gonna take out that high today. I'm not gonna do some analysis on NAS today. I'll just see. I'm just, yeah, I just did the draw liquidity for you guys. Let's go to Euro. Let me tell you what real analysis is. And you're gonna see that, chat. Some of you think that I do not know how to trade. Just fucking see, bro. Join the live stream and you see yourself. You see yourself, bro. Come on, there's a magnet that's calling you, bro. Come on. Chat, I'm gonna like close the cam for a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna close it for a minute. The mic's gonna be on. So yeah, let's keep going. What are you gonna do about that? What are you gonna do about that? Are we going to go? Alright, we're gonna take out that low right there. That's almost 14.4, 14.3 pips right there. Some motherfuckers who said that it was a long. Come on, just keep that low. Very good, chat. Just put some Davis in the chat right now. Just put some Davis in the chat, bro. Bro, let me just turn on the webcam for a minute. Just put some fucking Davis in the chat, bro. Say something. And chat, if I do have a private group where I teach students. So yeah, if you want to have a mentor, yeah, you can join my private mentorship group if you want to. And how much hour that trade was? That was like 3.5 hour trade chat. Yeah, we went to a little bit drawdown, like how much pip? 1.6 pip in that trade. So far that trade was good. Let's see one thing more. All right, now we have these lows. Let's see how far this trade can go. I also have these lows too. Let's see if we gonna swap those lows too or not. We're just gonna wait and see. How much pip is that? From here to here, all right, it's almost 8.5 pips. I've swapped one low right there. Now we have this one. I'll have some water. Chat, just yeah, if you wanna leave for 5 minutes, you can. All right, I'm back, chat. All right, we have invalidated that low. I mean, that CB right there. Let's do have anything on the 5 minute chart. All right, do we have any SMT? All right, we do have some SMTs right now, chat. With that low right there, we have this SMT with euro. Yeah, Geo is gonna take out that. If we fail to break that high right there, we're gonna go lower, chat. But I want to see price like go higher and take out that high from this inversion fair value right there. That could be an entry to go long, but I'm not gonna uh, suggest you to do that because yeah, we're still looking for bearish prices on euro. Let me just measure the equilibrium of this range. All right, we tap into the premium right now. Let's see how we react from there. But we do had a like good trade today. It was like 3.5 hour trade today. All right, we tap into the premium zone, and now we are seeing some sort of, I guess this was the retracement into the premium so that we can go lower. But let's see. We do have a SMT right here. Right there, we do have a SMT. Geo failed to take out that low. Let me just put that here. Let's see. Bro, damn. All right, there we go. There we go, chat. There we go. We gonna take out that low right there. That's what I think. But let's see. Let's see, chat. We did uh, we did a great job today, though. What do you think, chat? All right, there we go. There we go, chat. There we go. There we go. I think so. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck just happened, bro? That's how you. That's how you read price, bro. Chad, that's how you read price. If you haven't pay attention to my analysis throughout this trade, then you've missed a lot, bro. Not gonna lie, you should rewind the stream, bro. That was the market structure shift from me. So let's have a look at GU, bro. Alright, GU failed to break below that. Yeah, once we close below that low, I mean that CB right there, we're gonna use that as an inversion. Let's see, chat. We might see some more SMT right here, like this. like future S&P. Let's see. We'll see, bro. We'll see that, bro. We'll see that. We'll see that. What if? Oh, wait, 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 wait. How can be so happy without you? Chad, do I look good with the mustache or without the mustache, bro? What do you say, Chad? Should I shave it off? I don't know, bro. What the fuck should I do? Should I shave it off, Chad? I don't like that shit on my face, though. There's nothing I can do, bro. What the fuck? Bro, fuck. Right, let's see. What time is it? Oh, all right. We tapped into the London close session chat. Right, right. Let's see if we formed a low of the day today. I think we are not gonna form the low of the day today during the London close. We might see some continuation towards upside today during this time period, but let's see. I'm kind of thinking this as the high of the day today. Yeah, we'll see about that, bro. But just wait. Let me put on the makeup real quick. That right there. And that was the New York session in the New York session. I like just very blue. I like just having the this. Let's have a look at next chat. Chat, what I say, nah, bro. What I said, bro. We're gonna take out that high right there. That's easy, bro. And let's do some analysis on next. Damn, bro. Just missed that one right there in the 945. That right there, bro. Fuck. What the fuck? I just missed that, bro. But whatever, bro. I decided not to trade today, and I'll stick to it, bro. So yeah, did good in terms of not taking a trade. I mean, yeah, this is gonna be a little bit too hard for ES, but ES will also gonna take out that high right there. That's gonna be a little bit hard today. May see some retracement back and then go higher. And let's have a look at gold. That gold didn't even move today. Fuck. Fuck no, bro. And look at that. The low I mentioned on gold, silver took out that low. Right there, it took out that low and it moved higher. But gold, motherfucker, just stuck with that. See, stuck at there, bro. All right, our euro trade is going well though. It was gonna take out that low, bro. Just make sure to give a thumbs up to the stream because of this W analysis. We have swept that low right there. Let's see, did GU took out that low? Alright, I'm gonna wait and see if we can swap that low on GU too. If we do so, then you should not look for any longs today anymore. It's gonna keep going lower, chat. You will see, bro. You will see. But how much are that is? How much our trade that is? Alright, we were able to capture it, I think, yeah, almost 4 hour trade, bro. With that is I'm like doing those crazy analysis, bro. Did anyone took that trade, chat? Did any one of you took that trade? Or you just watch the charts just like me? I'm trading. I took euro short too. Great, bro. Was it on the live account or just paper trade, chat? Was it on the live or paper? Live personal. Great, bro. Great. Just take that off. And yeah, I'll put it on the bus, bro. We're gonna take out these flows, bro. These are too clean, bro. These are too clean, and we have one BC right there. But I think you should get out of the trade or when as soon as we hit that low. And right now, your stop loss should be at break even, not on and not above that high right there, but at break even. There's some specific reason why I say that, but yeah, you should have your stop loss at break even, not on the high of that recent swing high right there. Come on, come on, come on, Euro, take out those lows, bro. Alright, it's gonna take out those lows, bro. Oh my god, bro, fuck. It's not nice, bro. Yeah, let's see. Now this doesn't. So within the New York session window, we're gonna sweep these lows that we created. I think what was the time? Yeah, outside of the uh, London session low, the lunch window, I guess. No, that's not the lunch window. Yeah, but outside of the London sessions, so we created these relative equal lows. So those are the drawn liquidity. Fuck, I was supposed to put an eye on there, right there. Come on, come on, bro. Just a little bit push, bro. A little more push. Come on. We're short like 2 pips right now to hit that. No, not 2 pips. We're like 3.5 points right now to hit that low. Now the next two candles gonna take out that low, bro. Trust me. The next two candle gonna take out that low. We're about to take out that low. You should have fall right now. Yeah, you also did went lower a little bit after inversing that low. I told you, Chad, as soon as we inverse that low, we're gonna go down on euro, and you can see there was almost 11 pips you could have captured on GBP, bro. So yeah, what else should I say? Now we have a little small CV right there. Price should go down right now. Chad, I think I'm gonna end the stream now. So we've been streaming like I think it's like 2 hours right now. So yeah, I'll just catch you guys tomorrow, and I'll post this trade on the community and also on X. So you should follow me on X to chat. Go and follow me there also. And yeah, I'll post this trade up there. If let's see if we can hit those lows. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, be safe and yeah, peace out, chat.